So the weather here has been kind of crazy. Although we're headed towards summer, it's pretty cold out here. So for today's video, we're gonna do a soup. So for today's soup, we're gonna do the Turkish red lentil soup, or as they call it, the mercimek. Mercimek, the Turkish red lentil soup, comes from the southern part of Turkey and is this beautiful, creamy, velvety, smooth soup. So it basically consists of some vegetables and the red lentils. And on this occasion of Ramadan, I decided to all my Muslim friends out there to make this recipe for them. Happy Ramadan, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. There are many variations to this soup, but today we're going to do the basic one that you get in all the restaurants. To start, let's take the red lentils. These are the Turkish red lentils, but you could use even the Moroccan or the Indian red lentils. Soak them in water for about an hour or two. Chop some potatoes, carrots, onions, and garlic. Now we're going to blend this soup, so just make sure you cut the vegetables all the same size, big or small, don't matter. So into a pan with some oil, the onions and garlic, and saute it till it's nice and translucent. Then in with your potatoes and your carrots. In with your tomato paste and your Turkish paprika paste. The Turkish paprika paste you'll find in any Middle Eastern or any Turkish grocery market. If you don't find it, add some chili flakes or chili paste and a bit of cumin. Saute the paste. Start getting a beautiful aroma of the cooked tomato and the vegetable, adding your red lentil without the water. Cook for a couple of seconds and then add your vegetable stock. So I've made my own vegetable stock, but you could easily use water or you could use a cube. In with my vegetable stock, and then I'm going to let it gently simmer till I have some nice soft lentils. At this stage I'm going to add in some allspice berries, let it simmer for a while more, and then just give it a nice blend. Once your soup is blended, return it to the pan, heat it up, season with pepper and dried mint leaves. Dried mint leaves is very important in this recipe. If you can't find them, try use a bit of fresh mint leaves. Once you have a nice creamy consistency, the soup is ready to go. Now heat a pan or a skillet, add in some oil, a spoon of tomato paste, and a generous knob of butter. The pan needs to be extremely hot for the butter to foam really quickly. Once you have a nice mix of your paste and your butter, in a bowl, pour in your hot soup. And then, on top of your soup, pour in your foaming hot butter. If your soup is too thick, thin it down with some water or stock. Season with some sumac, some croutons. Traditionally it's served with bread, but I prefer some nice crispy croutons. Some herbs, could be parsley, dill or coriander. It varies from region to region. And there you have it. A beautiful, creamy, velvety, smooth soup that's super delicious and easy to make. Serve it with a nice wedge of lemon and some bread. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and once again, a happy Ramadan to all my Muslim friends and viewers out there. Hope you have a great festive season. Thank you for all your love and support. Until next time, this is me signing off. Bon appetit.